Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on read receipts on Messenger. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Messenger and select the menu option on the bottom right hand side, and you want to go to settings near the top. Once you're on here, just scroll down until you see privacy and safety, so you want to select that, and again scroll down until you come to read receipts, so you want to click on that. And as you can see, read receipts is turned off, so this will just let you know people won't be able to see when you've read their messages, and you won't be able to see when they've read yours. So obviously all you need to do is just toggle that on, and then it'll just update people will be able to see when you've read their messages. So that's how you can turn on read receipts on Messenger. Thanks for watching.